Today I'm meeting student biologist Rosie and Dr. Julie Oswald from the University of St Andrews as we join with a team from the University of Plymouth to go and record dolphins off the south coast of England. Let's see how these recordings are used for conservation and what role AI has to play in it. Julie, so nice to meet you. Tell me a little bit about yourself and your work. Tom wants to help you fight zombies. He's a games designer and developer in Cardiff, and he's using generative AI to develop a game putting you, the player, in the game. Me as a zombie, that is great. So Tom, how has generative AI changed your role as a games designer? Hello, I'm Gareth and I'm here in Cardiff to find out more about modern-day Bible translations. Did you know that the Bible has been translated into more than 700 languages? That's like everyone in your school speaking a different language and still being able to read the same book. Isn't that incredible? And have you ever wondered who makes sure that the Bible makes sense when it's been put into your language? Well, that's exactly why I'm here to talk to Arfon Jones, a modern-day Bible translator. He's translated the whole Bible into Welsh. So, let's go find out how he did it. Helo, Gwanwyn Haf, Hydref neu Eiaf, daw pob tymor a'i dywydd ei hun. Ond lan fan hyn ar y cwmwl hyd, mae'r tymhorau wedi bod ar chwal a mae 'da fi syniad go dda pwy sy wrthi. Chi wedi bod yn cymysgu'r tywydd unwaith to, Morris y Gwynt ag Ifan y Glaw? Fi'n credu bod nhw. Bydd rhaid I fi roi trefn ar y cyfan, ond fyddai ddim ar ben yn hunan achos bydd 'da fi help llaw Ysgol Glanrafon! Croeso I Taclo'r Tywydd! Neis, dewch I ni fynd at y gêm cyntaf fi'n credu. Mae gyda chi 3 munud ar y cloc tîm tywydd, ond mae'n bosib i'r gynulleidfa ennill mwy o amser I chi, neu colli amser. Yn dibynnu os ydyn nhw'n agor y peli amser neu beidio. Os ych chi'n dewis agor a bod y tu fewn yn goch, byddwch chi'n ennill 10 eiliad, ond os ydy'r tu fewn yn las, byddwch chi'n colli 10 eiliad. Morris ag Ifan ddim cweit digon da heddi. Ond byddan nhw'n ôl cyn bo hir a fyddan nhw'n herio ysgol arall fydd yn dod I daclo'r tywydd. Ond yn y cyfamser, cofiwch I edrych ar ôl y blaned a fydd y tywydd yn edrych ar ôl ni. Tan tro nesa, hwyl fawr!